Welcome to Djji Tutorials. Listen up. You care for others every day, but when it comes to your own finances, especially taxes, many of you freeze. Managing your taxes is just preventative care for your business. The CRA isn't your enemy or your friend. It's a system with rules. Learn them, use them. Ignoring taxes? Not a strategy. It's a disaster waiting to happen. If you run your own practice, you're a business owner. That means knowing your numbers is non-negotiable. Understanding taxes impacts your income, your practice, and your future. The good news, there are deductions and rules that can work for you. But you have to be proactive. Keep records. Know what you're entitled to. This is about smart, responsible management. Respect your money enough to manage it properly. This guide will break it down, step by step, so you can feel confident and in control. No more guessing, no more hoping for the best. We'll make a plan and you'll follow it. Your financial well-being depends on it. Let's tackle the biggest question: sales tax. GST and HST. Do you need to charge them? It depends. Most services by licensed physicians, dentists, nurses, optometrists, and chiropractors are exempt. No GST, HST to collect or remit. But if you're a psychotherapist or counselor, your services may not be exempt. The small supplier rule is key. If your taxable revenue exceeds $30,000 in 4 consecutive quarters, you must register for GST, HST. Track your income closely. Once you cross that threshold, you must start charging and remitting GST, HST. That tax isn't yours, you're collecting it for the government. Failing to register or remit can mean penalties and back taxes. Know your status. Check if your services are exempt on the CRA website. If not, monitor your revenue and register before you hit the limit. Don't wait, be proactive. This is the most common tax trap for medical professionals. Know where you stand. It's your responsibility. Now deductions: how you keep more of your money. Deduct any reasonable expense you incur to earn business income. Track every expense, use a separate business account, and keep receipts. Major deductions: licensing fees, malpractice insurance, professional dues, courses, conferences, travel and office rent, office supplies, billing software, and equipment are all deductible. For big-ticket items, claim a portion each year using Capital Cost Allowance, CCA. Work from home? Claim a percentage of your home expenses based on your office's square footage. Be honest and reasonable with your calculations. Good records turn your home office into a real deduction. Don't miss out on what you're entitled to. Use accounting software or a professional to help with the math. Every dollar you track is a dollar you could save. Stay organized and deductions will work for you. Just as important, know what you can't claim. Meals and entertainment? Only 50% is deductible and only for clear business purposes. Commuting from home to your main office? Not deductible. Business travel? Yes, but keep a mileage log. Personal expenses, like golf memberships or professional clothing, aren't deductible. Only specific uniforms qualify. Home landline? Not deductible. Only the business portion of your cell phone or a second line counts. There are limits on vehicle leases. CCA for luxury cars and gifts to staff. The rules are strict. Don't push them. Claim only what you're truly owed. Play by the book to avoid trouble. Filing organized is half the battle. Self-employed tax deadline, June 15th, but payment is due April 30th. No extensions. Gather all T-slips, receipts, and expense summaries. Calculate business income, revenue, minus expenses. Report on Form T 2125. Good records make this easy. Messy records make it a nightmare. Transfer your net business income to your T1 general return. Claim personal credits and deductions like RRSPs. Use certified tax software. It guides you, does the math, and finds credits. Double-check everything before filing. File online with NetFile for speed and security. Keep all documents for at least 6 years. CRA can ask for them anytime. Stay prepared and organized. Tax time becomes just another business task, under your control. Hope you find this session useful and share it with your peers. See you next time.